Hello, family. Welcome back to my channel. You know it's me, Shay, and I am back with another video. This video, obviously, by the title, how to beat that anxiety or that nervous feeling that you get when you are going to join a gym. Now, I know, I'm not a professional. I'm not somebody who's just been in the gym for years or even months yet. But I have been consistent with my weight loss journey. As you can see, I will have to repeat the number again once again in this video because it's not like many people are seeing this yet. So just in case you're new, I am now 33 pounds down, and I lost this 33 pounds without even starting in the gym, without even getting a membership in the gym. I lost this 33 pounds at home doing light at home workouts, eating correctly, at least to my best ability and best knowledge, and going on walks. So, if you're interested in how I did it, I have videos on that. But besides all that, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and like, and you're going to enjoy this content because it's going to help you grow in your journey if you're on a journey as well. So, let's get straight to the video because you want to go to the gym and you're nervous. How I know that? Because I was nervous. And honestly, I didn't think I was going to be nervous going into the gym on my first day because I've been in the gym before, but I've never been consistent and I've never been really serious about it. But this time I knew that I was serious. I knew that I was going to be consistent. And I was like, okay, I got this. But when I showed up there, I was like, okay, what do I do? Where do I go? Lord Jesus, what if I'm doing something wrong? What if I look stupid? These are all thoughts that you have. So this video is going to help you get past all those thoughts. And you still may have these thoughts, but if you once you keep this video in mind, it should be able to help you feel a lot better and go in with more confidence. So let's get into the video. This first tip that I want to give you guys is probably pretty basic and simple. Hold on, my camera's shaking. Start out on the treadmill. You want to warm up anyways when you go in the gym. Me, I like to do my stretches at home and then I go to the gym. And I always start with the treadmill or I always start with the treadmill and then I do the bicycle or something else right after in that same like warm up type of area. I forgot what they call it. Oh, cardio area. So excuse me, I'm a little nasally because I have like a little cold. But besides that, you want to start off on the treadmill. I usually do about 10 to 15 minutes starting out in the cardio area just to warm your body up, just to get your body ready for that good workout that you're going to give it. Now, when you're new and you get to the gym, whether you have signed up online like I did, or you go in the gym and sign up, what you want to do while you're on the treadmill is kind of look around. You don't want to stare at anybody because trust me, that's another point that I'm going to get to next. You don't want to stare at anybody in the gym for too long because that's just weird. Nobody's going to stare at you, so don't be in there staring at other people. But yeah, so you want to scope the room out, look at all the equipment, look where everything is, even like kind of glance at what people are doing while they're working out because that'll help you know, like, okay, yeah, I want to do that one next, or I need to try that one. That's where I want to target today. That's what I want to do. I want to do that. So let me look at them for a quick second. Okay, let me turn my head another way, find something else. And you just want to keep like looking around and scoping the room around while you're on the treadmill. The treadmill is your warm up time, but it's also your pregame time and it's also the time for you to be nosy and figure out what you need to do. Something to tell you to help you. Nobody cares. I'm just being honest. I've been in the gym consistently for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I try to go at least 3 to 4 times a week if I can. Nobody cares. Nobody cares what you're doing. They don't even care if you're doing it wrong. That's a lot of time where your anxiety comes in. You're worried about how you're going to look doing it, if you're going to know what you're doing, and if you're going to look like you know what you're doing. They don't care unless you have hired one of the trainers to help you. Nobody cares what you're doing. And even if the trainers are looking at you, to be honest, they're looking at you like money. Like, oh, yes, I hope she signs up because she should know that she's not doing what she's supposed to be doing, or that should not feel right for her. So hopefully she'll come to me and ask me for help. And in that case, maybe depending on what gym you're at, trainers will help you for free just to like show you how to do something. Or then again, maybe you'll have to get like a free consultation and see how much see if you can afford to get help through training. But besides all that, the people who are actually there working out are not worried about you. They don't care how you look. They don't care about your fat back. They don't care about your back being big. They don't care about your neck having rolls. They don't care about all the things that you care about. They don't care. You know why? Because for one, they're on their own journey. They're there for themselves. They care about what they look like. They care about what they're doing, and they're lifting weights or doing workouts that have them tired, exhausted, that they're trying to push through. And who wants to be looking at somebody else next to them and worried about if they're doing it correctly? If you need to be worried about if you're doing it correctly or you're trying to push through correctly to do your own workout. You get what I'm saying? Like, nobody's worried about you. So get that through your head and you'll definitely have more confidence going into the gym because nobody cares. I'm going to say it again. Nobody cares. Nobody's looking at you. You ain't that important. Not in the gym. Dress cute and comfy when you go to the gym. And the reason I say this, I know some people are like, really? Like, it's the gym. Cute? Like, ugh, gosh, here we go again with this cute stuff. It's not about so much of worrying about, you know, being in a competition of who looks the cutest when you go to the gym, obviously. Because once again, nobody's looking at you. Unless, there's somebody who's there trying to be your soulmate or your twin flame or whatever you guys call it nowadays. Unless they looking at you like that, then they might be looking at you. But 9 times out of 10, that's rare. That rarely happens. So the reason you want to dress cute and comfy in the gym is because you want to feel good. You know the saying, when you look good, you feel good. That usually is true. So if you have your nice little gym gear on and you feel comfortable in it, and when I say comfy, meaning obviously stretch material, or comfy if you're not someone who's ready to show your stomach, make sure you don't go in the gym with something that's going to show your stomach. That's obvious. You want to be comfortable. You don't want to be worried about if your love handles are showing, if your cellulite is showing. Don't wear things that are going to make you uncomfortable. But make things. Don't wear things that are going to make you feel uncomfortable, and make sure that you are comfortable in those clothing. Research workout plans before you go to the gym. You want to research workout plans and workout, how to do certain workouts, because obviously it's just going to help you go in with more confidence. It's going to help you know what you're doing. It's going to help you know what you should be working out and what you should be aiming for, because if you can't afford a trainer, YouTube is your next best friend. Hello, you're here now. So you might as well find another video that's going to be helpful in helping you know how to work out. There's so many videos out there. Just type in what you want, whether it's leg day, upper body, full body, whatever it is. And sorry about the beeping. Every time I say I'm going to do one of these videos or a talking video, I say I'm going to handle that beeping and I never do. But maybe the next video. The next tip is to go with a friend or slash boyfriend or girlfriend. If it's your first time in the gym, you want to find a friend that's kind of already been to the gym, or, has already been on a journey as well with you, or something like that. Like, and that's not for everybody, but because some people may feel more comfortable to just go by themselves. They may feel like their friend is judging them or the friend is doing better than them. If you're that type of person, maybe go by yourself. But if not, if you're somebody who, enjoys company, or, feel like it'll be helpful for you to go with your friend or your boyfriend, that's another tip. That's another advice that I can give you, is go with a friend. Another quick tip I have, which I don't do this and I don't know why, but bring headphones to listen to music while you work out. Me, I'm not really somebody who needs music to work out. Eventually I probably will, but lately I just have not cared to listen to music while I work out. I just be focused on, like, I just close my eyes when I'm working out when it gets intense. So I don't know. Music may help me in the long run, and I see a lot of people with headphones on, and that's a common thing. So, just reminding you, if you go to the gym and you're someone who loves music or who is motivated by music, to make sure you bring your wireless headphones or whatever headphones you got. to, work out and listen to music. This is the last and final tip that I have for you guys for this video. If you like this video so far, please make sure you leave me a like and you have subscribed, and leave me a comment down below to let me know if you're on a journey as well. And if you would like more videos that are helpful like this, also remember to let me know in the comments down below as well, and to leave a like. I know I said that twice, but nobody does it. So yeah, I'll wait. But anyways, last tip is to remember to take a 15-second break in between each set and each rep. If you don't know what a set and a rep is, Google it or whatever, or maybe I'll make a video that's helpful gearing towards that. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows what a set and a rep is, but don't feel bad if you don't, because at first I didn't even really know what was the difference between the two, like how it was set up. So don't feel bad. Make sure you take 15-second breaks between and after each set and rep. And the reason you want to do that is because you want to give yourself time to, reload and recuperate before you go into that next set, so that you can still have that strength to push through that next set, or that next rep or whatever. Because if you just go hardcore and don't take any type of sit down breaks or breathing breaks in between each set and rep, trust me, your workout is going to be very short lived. So just remember, 15-second break. If you need to take longer, take longer, but at least give yourself 15 seconds of breaking between those sets and reps. It's important. And make sure you drink your water. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm out.